So welcome to the Asistencia, our new home for Redlands Conservancy. We acquired this property in December last year from the San Bernardino County Museum. And we are pleased to be able to show you a little bit of how it looks today. We'll go first into the Barton room. So I imagine that many of you who have been visitors here remember the dioramas that tell part of the story of settlement here in the valley. The dioramas have a new home. They will soon be going to the Loma Linda Historical Society, where they will be on display once that organization finds a permanent place to put them. Instead, we expect to use this room as event space. So it's available. The beautiful banners that are here may be repurposed in some other areas of the site, and some of them will be on loan back to the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, who were responsible for having them installed during the sesquicentennial, I think.
And this room can comfortably accommodate 6 to 7 rounds of 10, so 60 to 70 people, as well as having this also as a classroom setup.
And you can tell the acoustics are beautiful. We will have some dampening fabric on the walls as we continue our development of the event space.
Okay.
Maybe next. We are, if you want to see just quickly this beautiful mural, we are working to secure funds and assistance in having portions of it repaired where it's damaged just through time and the elements. So those of you who are familiar with that will be happy to know we're trying to keep it in good repair.
So the bell actually was part of a sugar plantation that was donated by a Redlands matron for her family, and this was done in 1856.
Go. If you have a wedding here, you definitely get to sign out.
Yeah.
It was at one time the caretaker's cottage. We do not expect to have full-time staff on site, and instead we're imagining it as a comfortable place where you might host a reception. If you're hosting a wedding here, you've got room for the bridal party to relax and get ready. We don't have a lot here yet, but we are trying to give it a little bit of a flavor of just a cozy place where you might sit and have a snack, get your dress on, get everything ready to go. Maybe write some thank you cards. Watch your step here. There's a kitchen, so there is a refrigerator if you want to keep drinks cold or whatever else you might be snacking on. And then we sort of imagine that there might be a need for the bride to just have some quiet time by herself. And so we imagine this or envision this as a place to get yourself ready to go. Something borrowed, something blue, that kind of thing. And we're really going to do this one up right with a nice long table and mirrors both sides, so that if you've got a makeup artist coming or someone to do hair, they'll have access and be able to handle all the bridesmaids at one time. Now the bride wants to make her big appearance without everybody seeing her, and so we're thinking about this little space as the secret garden or the bridal garden, and eventually we'll have little wildflowers and other pollinator plants here to help with the bees. You know, you want to have pollinators hanging around, right?
You do. You want pollinators, and of course, if you want to have a very fruitful
works with
wedding.
What is it?
The San Bernardino County Master Gardeners, who are helping design this space and will be working on many of the heritage plants that we have. This rose, which has been here for 50 plus years, they've grafted, and we're hoping that it will take root and be able to line this entire walkway.
In fact, it's got its first little bloom on it. So. And And then the chapel is just a real highlight of the Asistencia site. It's simple, probably seats 90. Maybe you could crowd a few more in. There is a working pump organ, if you know somebody who plays it. And it's non-consecrated, so it's not necessarily sacred to any faith. It has a great deal of personal meaning for many of us, but is not denominational. The next room here, and there's steps again, is what we call the vestry. In the days of the monks, if you had had a mission, the vestry would be the place where they prepared for services and had their garments kept and got ready for celebrations. And so we're thinking of this as a place maybe where the groom's party would relax and complete their dressing so that they're ready to go. And then there's the refectory, that being the eating room, and it will probably retain some of this wonderful furniture. This is from the collection that the museum had on site. We will also be able to accommodate larger groups who might like to have round tables in here or long tables end to end. Some estimates we've done say we could probably put 4 tables in, so you might have a party of up to 30 people present in this room. And then there's a full-on commercial kitchen. We also have a large group of people who have volunteered and are helping us to scrub and make changes and update and improve. We don't want to change a lot, but our charge is to maintain the structure and to make sure that it exists into the next generations. And so doors and windows that are 80 to 100 years old need to be repaired. Plumbing needs to be fixed. Lighting and electricity need to be upgraded. So we're using the site as an event center as a way of ensuring that we have the resources to maintain it for the city and for the people of Redlands. We'd love to have you be part of that. Just go to our website. You can volunteer there. There's a click you can volunteer on, or you can contact us with your questions. And we have kind of a special page on the Asistencia site that asks for your stories. So we'd like to have your photos and your pictures and your tales about how this place has been part of your life. And we'll kind of go through those and edit them and put them up on our site so that we can begin to tell the story of this beautiful place together.